Hi everyone, I also had a delivery this week from Flowers by Wendy, and she makes these beautiful felt flowers. Now this is a selection of autumn colours that I got, and the set was £10 in total with £1.50 postage because it came in a standard large envelope, so it's really good value. And I'll just show you the different ones that I get because there's quite a few different styles in here. So we've got the Autumn Daisies, and there's a couple in each colour, I believe. So these are all different autumn colours here, and I got 6 of those in the smaller daisy sizes. They're them, so pretty. And then I got these more rose style ones, so like these rolled roses, again in the autumn colours, and I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of those in the autumny colours. I'll just show you the selection a little bit closer up. So in the 5 colours, so that's what they look like nice and close. So there's 10 of them. And then I got these slightly bigger versions as well, because I'm going to make some baby headbands with these, I think. But look at the centres on these. I like the felt centres on these as well. Very well made. Definitely worth the money. And I'll put the link for the group in the description below for you as well. Got some of these bigger daisies. So there's these ones, these 2 in the 2 colours. So there's 4 of those. Oh, sorry, 6. There's 2 more. I forgot those ones. So there's 6 of these in the colours. There's those ones. Let's put them there. And then we've got these sort of more like sunflowery ones, I would call them. Again, these come in these 4 colours. And I literally just asked for a selection of these felt flowers in autumn colours. She does all different styles. She's got lots more options than the ones that I've just shown you. I just asked for like a nice autumn mix. But how beautiful are they? Thanks for watching. Bye.